Okay, new from Streamline, this is the Jolly Roger Pirate Alarm Clock. Recommended for ages 3 and up. Haunted house screams alarm. Flashing LED lights when alarm goes off. This is a non-ticking clock. It has a silent sweep second hand. Classic skull and crossbones clock face. Twin bell design. It is an all-metal casing, plastic back panel, and has very easy to use control and buttons. Let me stop this. I'm going to bring it back around and let me press the alarm because you're going to love this. Quality by Streamline.